Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Ternium SA. So just to have a basic sense of this company, so you can check out the ticker and the company name. Here what you can find it as a manufacturing company, but if you look at the description, it is saying it's manufacturer of flat and long steel products. So understand this is a manufacturing company, but the product of manufacturing is indeed a commodity. And whenever you are talking about commodity, you need to understand one thing, that commodity is a instrument or is an instrument which has been traded independently irrespective whether the stock is trading or not. So what I mean to say is, so you have a company which is trading publicly. Now, if it is a commodity based company, then you know that the product has also been trading in the exchanges across the world, and that's make the particular stock very volatile. And understand this, you cannot apply the same sort. So let's say you know about equity, so you can apply the same sort of logic in all the companies, okay? Or if you have a basic understanding of stock market or overall understanding of equities, so you can apply the same. But in case of commodities, each and every commodity has different aspects and they are very independent in their own way. So if you, let's say if you're talking about oil is a different thing. If you're talking about metal, inside metal you have steel, which belongs to or which is related to this company, then you have aluminium, then you have zinc, then you have bronze. So each and everything has its different aspect. So the best way to understand commodity as a business is a different ball game. Now when you are talking about stock price, you need to understand one thing, that you need to pick up the momentum, because commodity companies or commodity related companies are very good when the global stock market rally will start. They are the first one where you can find the stock rally, okay? So the price can shoot up very big at the beginning of a global based stock market bull run. Now, does this make this kind of companies like what we can see are continuously growing in terms of, so in lots of company you can see that there is a 20-30 years of stock uptrend. So you cannot find these kind of things in commodity based companies most of the cases. So that's why what you need to do, or the best way to plan for these kind of companies, is to ride out the momentum and sell on the edges. So what you can find here, so you have a long term chart for this company where we know anyhow this stock is trading inside a range. You can say since 2006 5 or 6, this particular script has been trading inside this range, which is very much clear. And what you need to do simply is ride out the trend and do not expect anything much beyond the trend unless you have an indication which the stock indeed is giving. Okay, so here you can find a trend. Now look at this, and this is indeed long term chart, and this requires time. You know, if it is going up or if it is going down, this requires indeed a decent amount of time. So do not just think like something magical will happen. This won't work for commodity related companies. Now here in this trend you will find out that your immediate support will come at 15.45, and if it breaks down then you have 10.25. Now on the upside you have your first target or resistance at 33.55, then you have your next resistance or target as 42.84, and probably it can move towards 46.92. So that's it. On the upside, if you are optimistic, obviously looking at the trend, it is very much evident that the stock has corrected and take support from its previous lows and went up. Okay, so in this case what your expectation should be on the upside will be limited to either $42 or $46 for the long term, because there are two things. One, the stock anyhow is a consolidated one, and it's been flat for the last 12-13 odd years, so there is no way you can think that the stock will outperform. So unless the stock went up or went down or will go up or make a breakout above $48, then we can say that it will be a start of a new trend, or it will simply go down below $10, then it will probably move towards $4 or $5, which was the previous low of 2008. And it's a commodity related company, so commodity related company will find momentum, but there are very few companies where you can find a long term trend of 20, 30, 40 years, which you can find in FMCG or consumer durable companies, or probably in tech companies. This don't happen in commodity related companies. So you need to know about the support and resistance, and you need to ride it accordingly, and do not over expect anything out of this, and stay within the range. If the support level breaks, then you should keep yourself out of it, or make your close your trading positions or investing position if it reached the target level or the resistance level. So just take out your profit and enjoy it. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.